So here we go.
Hello.
Hi, this is Sin. I'm calling for our 2:30.
Good.
So what did you want to talk about? Hello my loves, Ascendo here coming at you with another video, and in this video we are going to get into busy entrepreneur life. This is going to be a day in the life of a female entrepreneur, okay? And stuff gets real. This morning I have already gotten the shower really quick, threw my wig on and then put a hat on real quick, took my kids to school, all of that. Now I'm coming back upstairs, and before I start cleaning and doing laundry and all the different things that I need to do to the junky house of mine, I have to get work done. This is what my normal work day looks like. At first I was just going to record this silently, but I decided to just come and give y'all a glimpse inside to see what I'm actually working on. So I'm getting the booking form of my website together, because initially whenever I started my business coaching, I was just like taking just 1 to 2 clients a week, maybe if even that. But now it's like insane. So I'm opening up more, and I'm setting everything up to where it's very, very accessible, to where literally the computer is doing the work for me and all I have to do is show up. So that's what I'm doing right now. A lot of people would tell you like, oh, invest the money, spend all that money and get you know, somebody to build your website. And I'm not saying don't do that. If you're a website builder, do not kill me. But I've never had someone build my website for me, ever. Like ever. I've always done it myself. So if you ever see anything wrong, anything misspelled, my bad. It was me. I'll be doing a lot in one day. Sorry. I don't know. I'm gonna figure out what to do with these colors, and then, you know, just come with me later. And these my old lady working glasses. But at this point, I am doing some keyword research for a couple of my clients for some audits that we have coming up, as well as some of their videos that need to go up. Now, for my consulting, I am a little bit more hands-on when you need me to guide you step by step. So that's what I'm doing, getting stuff ready for their videos as well as my own. Yeah. Making videos, this is, you know, some free info that I tell my clients. Whenever you are making a video, I have to remember that I'm not making it for myself. So like, yeah, I know what it's about, but I have to make it for what the peoples are searching for. Yes. So now that I have all these little post-it notes here, now I'm gonna get my title together, tags, thumbnail, all of that, and get this video ready to post. And yeah, oh yes, I am eating again. Don't judge me, judge yourself. Silk press compilation videos, like a lot of them. So I was thinking, why don't I look through my hard drive, and it's my hard drive right there. Well, right there. My hard drive, and see what I have in there, and then I'm gonna see what I can put together here. Oh yeah. Oh, I remember you, girl. Yes, girl. Oh, I'm gonna just stop right here, because the way I'm feeling in my spirit right now, as I'm getting ready to edit this video, I just feel like I'm being sucked into doing stuff that I don't want to do. I just don't feel safe. At this point, if you've been watching thus far, you already know what you're here for, girl. So thank you for watching the video. I'm about to edit it right now. But like, as soon as I get done talking, you gonna watch what I'm about to edit right now. So get ready to watch it, girl. At this point, I have another conference call. Just want to bring you along the rest of my workday today. I think this is going to be a part of like a whole little thing. But yeah, I have a conference call today. So I'm going to get to that. And I just figure you guys can come along for this conference call with me. Have a lot going on over here this morning because I have children and they like pens, so I don't have one. Absolutely love the Wix app because it makes it so I don't have to like go through all of this stuff to record.
Hello.
Hi, this is Sin. I'm calling for our 2:30.
How you been doing? Been all right?
I'm great. How are you? What did you want to talk about?
Well, I need really a lot of direction as far as where to start with transitioning to my business. I know you were saying something about my Instagram and all that. I need to start, posting more about the business aspect of it because I have a business background. To get that started, I don't know, it's a lot of things I really want to do besides like just business coaching or whatever. I love the hair industry, so I don't know how I can intertwine it with that.
I'll just give you a little background on myself. To be becoming a person of value, right? Get maybe 2 clients in 6 months,
Being a hairstylist, I've known so many people that have to like forge documents to buy homes. I found myself in that arena only because now that I'm ready to build a portfolio, a retirement portfolio, the first thing I got to get under control is where my numbers at. What kind of money, if somebody wants to sell me a house or a property or give me a loan, what can they look at? There's something different. And I've been coming out for like a year and a half with different types of gap oil because I'm into hair loss.
we got homework. While you've been talking, I've been writing down stuff. So
Okay.
that is a huge market. Like right now, women are so, I am not my hair, I am not this pharmaceutical company, like finding their own spirituality. Everybody wants to do stuff on their own. So if you can position yourself as a resource to teach them how to do it, instantly shoot you up. So this is what I want you to do. Being on Instagram and YouTube, that's all it is. It's the first part of you building the 6-figure funnel.
Okay. All right. Well, I'll keep you posted. I don't inbox you. Okay. Girl, I did this.
If you decide to take me on as your business coach, aka consultant, I'm gonna get on your nerves until you start making the shmoney that we plan on you making. I'm just letting you know.
It's not even no more like a want. It's a necessity.
Okay. Well, I just want you to have that in your head. When you pray about it, just make sure you tell the Lord, like, Sia says she not gonna be playing. She gonna get on my nerves and she gonna be checking me about all my posts. So
Yeah. Well, yeah. I can write my outline. So yeah. I'm just so after the holidays.
yeah.
Start the new year off right.
Girl,
Yeah.
no, now you need some coins. This time next year you're gonna be like, I am rich. Whoa. That was a little bit of my work day for one of my business consulting calls. So one of my other businesses, because people ask me all the time, like, oh, you don't do hair now, what do you do? I help people make money. Lots of money, lots of green money, and it feels great. It feels great to help people make a whole lot of money. But just imagine this. Imagine that the same exact skill set that you use to make these other Fortune 500 companies money, you took, honed in, and used for yourself to make your own business and passion and talent into a Fortune 500 company. Just imagine. That is what my 6-figure funnel is all about, and I'm so in love with all of my clients. So if you either want to become a client of mine, or if you just want to join one of my free groups to begin taking your life to the next level and just see if whether or not you ever want to start your own business or anything like that, then you know, let's get into it. Because I am so passionate about making sure that you all learn how to turn that one thing that you absolutely love to do into something that can make you hundreds and thousands of dollars. So if that is something that you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to my website, join one of my free groups, mainly the elite group, because my elite group is the group that we go really deep. Okay, so you guys make sure you sign up, make sure you join, and boom, we are in there. I love you guys so much, and I am so excited to see where we go as a community in 2020, because it is getting real. Yes, I love my clients so much, and I love you guys too. If you have not done so already, make sure you are subscribed here to my channel. Once you subscribe, make sure you click that bell so you are notified every time I post another video, and make sure you're boom. And lastly, of course, make sure you are subscribed to my website so you can join one of these groups, or just be over there because it's nice and I worked on it a lot by myself. Okay, bye. I love you guys so much, and until my next video, bye.